Today I'm going to be talking about 3 foods that have more calcium than milk. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to be discussing 3 foods that have more calcium than milk. As we all know, calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, and it plays a key role in the functioning of your muscles and nerves. While many people think of dairy products when it comes to getting enough calcium, there are actually several other foods that are rich in this important mineral. So let's take a look at 3 of them. First up is sesame seeds. These tiny little seeds pack a big punch when it comes to calcium, with 1 ounce containing 351 milligrams of the mineral, almost as much as a glass of milk. Sesame seeds can be added to salads, baked goods, and even sprinkled on top of cereal or yogurt for an extra boost of nutrition. Another food that has more calcium than milk is broccoli. 1 cup of cooked broccoli contains about 102 milligrams of calcium, about 10% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Broccoli also contains plenty of other nutrients, such as vitamin C and fiber, making it an excellent choice for any meal or snack. Finally, if you're looking for another great source of calcium that isn't dairy-based, then look no further than almonds. Just 1 ounce contains 73 milligrams of this important mineral, almost double what you would get from a glass of cow's milk. Almonds can be eaten raw or roasted as a snack or added to salads and other dishes for an extra crunchy texture and nutty flavor. So now you know 3 foods that have more calcium than milk: sesame seeds, broccoli, and almonds. All 3 are easy to incorporate into your diet and will help ensure you're getting enough calcium each day without relying too heavily on dairy products. And there you have it, 3 alternative sources of calcium that can help keep your bones strong and healthy, while still allowing you to enjoy variety in your meals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe, so you never miss another show. Thanks again for watching.